Subscribe and press the bell icon first to see the latest video.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a beautiful combo of a cookie and a glass of milk. For that, what you need is your pencil, eraser, paper and some paint. So let's get started. So I took my paper horizontally, and then we'll make the cookies on the left side and the milk on the right side. So let's get started. First I'm making the cookie, and for that I'll just make a circle here. And if you do not know how to make a circle, definitely practice the circle video first. I know I'm keep on saying pretty much in every video, but the thing is, like, you know, circle is the one thing we use a lot. When you do here, I will add one line at the bottom and then one diagonal line on the left side and another diagonal line on the right side. Very good. Good job. And then what I'm doing here, I'm making a curved line here and a curved line here. So it's kind of like an oval shape, but those corners are a little bit of pointier. So now I'm gonna add the milk, and for the milk layer, I'm gonna add some little wiggly line. Straight line's a little boring, so add a little wiggly line both the side. So these are the front part for the milk, and this is the back portion which we see over there. Okay, all right. So now if you want to add a straw, you can do it, or you can just totally skip this part. I'm making one line here, another line next to it. Very good. And then what you do, you extend this line a little bit bigger and then turn and go toward your right side. Same thing on the other side. And then make an oval shape here. Very good. Sorry if I went a little too fast. Okay, so now if you have any line extra here, you'll erase only on the back one. Do not erase the front one, because we cannot, the straw is inside, not outside this way. So take your eraser and erase if you have any line inside the straw, but the back side. Great job. So we're done with the milk. Now we'll just decorate our cookie. So for the cookie, I'm making some bites here. So 1, 2 and 3 little curve and connect here. Okay, so you started from here and connect here. Inside you just do 3 curves. And then take your eraser and erase this line here. Be careful. All right, so we are done erasing this part. Now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna make the eyes. For that, just making a little circle shape. And one more circle shape here. Very good. And then you can just make medium and a small circle inside. Very good. Good job, guys. And then I'm just making a smiley. So I made a curvy line here and another U curve over here and connect. Good job, very nice. So I want to add some glasses for my cookie, And for that, what I did, I made a curve here, not too curve, not too big curve. It's like a kind of a straight at the flat at the top and then curve at the edges. And then you make a diagonal line and come back and go up here and connect. Very good. Same thing on the other side. You make a diagonal line, come in, go straight toward the left side, and then you connect here. Good job, very nice. Now you can connect this middle part. There we go. Now I'm gonna add some chocolate chips inside. For that, I try not to make the chocolate chips like, very circle or perfect shape, because after baking, it does not have the perfect shape anymore. So you can just add some chocolate chips all around. I like a lot of chocolate chips inside my cookie. There we go, very good. Now we'll add little arm and feet. So I'm adding one line here and another line here. So they're holding the hands, and make little 2 circle over here. That's it. And then another hand on the other side and make a circle here. So these are the stick arms. So you just make a line and then make a little circle at the end. Very good. Now we want to make 2 feet. One here, 2 straight line. Same thing on the other side, 2 straight line. And then you make 1 oval shape on the right side and another oval shape on the left side. Same thing over here, 1 on the right side and 1 on the left side. Very good. Good job, guys. They look so cute. Now we'll start tracing it with our Sharpie. So I took my Sharpie and then I'm tracing each and every line we have up here. So we are almost done tracing. Now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna add the color outside those little circle we just did here. Very nice. And also I haven't did the smiley with this because I just want to do it with the red. And I'm gonna add some, I first thought I'm not gonna add any eyes for the milk, but let's add that because that's gonna look so cute. Very good. And you just make a smiley here. And this eye is kind of looking at her. Very good. Now you can take your Sharpie and trace that. And this time I'm going to color inside this circle, the small one, okay? Do not trace the bigger circle. And same thing, I'll leave the smiley without the tracing. Now I'm going to erase all those extra lines we have here. And later on we'll add some heart shape over here, but I did not add right now because I don't want to trace it. So if you want to add in the beginning, you can do it. So now we'll start coloring, and for that you need a brush. So you need yellow ochre and brown for the cookies. And if you do not have the yellow ochre, you can just mix a regular yellow with a little bit of brown. You'll get that kind of color. And then for the milk, you need a blue for this glass area. And I want to add some pattern on the straw. So I need some little bit of red for the pattern here. So I'm going to take my yellow ochre first, and then I'm going to color over here. Try not to go inside those circles. Try to leave a little bit gap at least. But if you by accidentally did color those circle, that's okay. So anyway, we will add darker color inside, so that's absolutely fine. Okay, so I'm just adding my yellow ochre over here. Very good. Try to skip the mouth. And then we will add some layers inside over here, but don't try not to go inside the eyes, because inside the eye is it's not yellow ochre. So try not to go inside the eyes. Very good. Then you can just color over here. We're almost done. After that, you go ahead and wash your brush nicely and take some brown. And then if you see, I'm just adding the little dot here. If you want to do it a little later, you can do it a little later as well. But that's fine because I did not went inside. But if you by accidentally went inside, so add the brown just maybe after few more seconds. Okay, very nice. Good job, guys. So for the milk, what I'm doing, I'm just gonna take my brush with some water, not a lot of water, and then you just add the water over here. Do not go inside those lines, because that we have to keep it simple. We have to keep it white because the milk is white, right? Very nice. Now what I'm gonna do, I'll take my blue and then I'll just make some lines which will come from top toward the bottom. Very good. So just go make top to bottom lines. Do not go inside over here, okay? And I left a little gap in between those lines, so if possible, please do that. So very good. So we are done with the glass, and we'll keep this part simple. We'll not color anything over here, and we'll wait a few more minutes to make the line inside the straw. So I'll be back in a few more minutes. So we are done this part. So this part is a little dry, so I'm going to take my red and I'll just add some little lines here with my red. There we go. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any video which I upload every week. And let me know how you like this video, and please give it a thumbs up. Very nice. So we're done over here. Now let's take the same red and make this smiley here, both the side. Okay, beautiful. Good job. Very nice. And let me know how you like this video. And bye bye for today. I'll see you guys in my next episode.
Hey guys, don't forget to like the channel, share the video, and subscribe the channel.